it's bright and early. And what are the cousins doing? Minecraft.
This is.
What world are y'all in?
We're in Workersville, or we're trying to make a Workersville.
And then this is what to
raining
leave,
right now.
because I set it to a random language and then I forgot to reset it and then I
What does it say?
leave. It's supposed to say that.
Oh. Looks fun.
Oh, look what a master's for a little creeper and die.
So we got everything cleaned up except for some of these bigger items.
Yeah.
So which one was your favorite?
Final showing.
Final showing was your favorite?
Yeah.
That's a lot.
Also, I really like Red, White, and Boom. That was a cool one too.
Yeah. Red, White, and Boom, this one was probably my favorite.
Yeah.
What about you, Haley?
Which one was like the went?
The one that went above our head and did the sparkle?
I like the chicken.
That was that one. And then
Okay.
the one that went back and forth was this one.
Okay.
I think.
So I like the Red, White, and Boom.
Yeah.
Or Texas Double.
Yeah, Red, White, and Boom for me too.
Texas Double I think was pretty good too. So we're getting ready to hit the road. Have to grab Jack. So comment down below if you enjoyed the fireworks show. We had a lot of fun doing it. A windy day today.
Everyone!
Alright, you ready to go?
See you next week! Woo!
Check out that huge flag. It's awesome. So nothing says
We're eating here every time y'all come in.
no. So nothing says Independence Day like some good old Tex-Mex to celebrate our independence. All right, Haley, show them what you love most. I don't know if it's still there. The door. There's a tiny door. It's para los niños right here. I think it's locked now. Push it. Oh no. Oh, there you go. There you go. Oh yeah. I know, I did too.
Do you want Aubrey to walk through the door next?
Yes, Aubrey, can you get there? Crawl through there. Carlos, senor. She's already eaten. Alright, so how long has it been since you've eaten?
Over a decade. Probably 16 at least years that I've been here.
And so I used to eat here all the time with my friends. We'd come here on a Friday night and eat get fajitas. There's like 3 of us and we would each order our own separate order of fajitas. Thanks. Alright, so here's how we salt our chips. Salt, and then you have to give it a blessing. So you bless it. So you salt, and then you bless it. That's how you do it.
How do you eat your chips?
Filling it? Oh.
It's normal.
Okay, so they also bring out tortillas to the table.
Fresh.
Fresh tortillas. Check that out. Homemade.
Is this the butter sauce?
It's just butter. So then they have a thing of butter and a thing of honey right at the table. Perfect. See you later. See you later, Carlos. All right, better go through that door. All right. Para los niños. Para los niños. Oh, para los niños. What are you doing? All right.
On her way home, G's got to recharge.
And Stay awake.
Rocky, what are you getting, bud? You
getting,
gonna have a frappuccino?
This fudge. Oh, does that look good to you? It's hotter than a $2 pistol shooting uphill. Let's take a little nap. Made the drive go by quicker. You waiting to get in?
Yes, sir.
Did you take a nap?
Did I?
Yes.
Hey, just a few minutes. You woke up when we got to Buc-ee's though. Are you happy to be home?
Yes, sir. But I really miss the family.
So some folks are popping fireworks in our neighborhood. That means the popo is gonna be coming real quick, like to arrest some folks.
Yeah.
Good thing we did our fireworks last night. It was a lot of fun.
And we're allowed to do fireworks.
Correct, out in the country. My popcorn. Hailey had one request going home. Did we stop by Buc-ee's? I remember when she wanted to stop by Buc-ee's when we were driving to our families. I said, no way, it's gonna be too crowded. Can you believe how crowded that is? It's like people, if they have to go to the bathroom, they just hold it. They're like, no, not until we get to Buc-ee's. If they're hungry or thirsty, they wait till they get to Buc-ee's. It's a great place to stop. And what did we get when we were there?
We got some pecans, we got some ices, and we also got some fudge.
Some fudge. And when we say some, we mean a lot. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so it was buy 4, get 2 free. So that's pretty cool. So the flavors are red, white, and blue. This is rocks
and chocolate.
Rock something.
Rock chocolate.
What are the? Do you think that's gum? Chew it. Or is it just chocolate?
Chocolate.
Okay, cool. And then chocolate on the bottom. This is cookies and cream. This is red velvet, and it's really good. Dark chocolate for Macey and
mint chocolate.
Matches her shirt. Well, I've got to edit a video to get that up for tomorrow morning. Then possibly start on editing this vlog. That was good. No, up front. They're popping them. Oh, right there. Man, they are lighting them up. Check out the flag. It's beautiful.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, yeah. Happy Independence Day. There it is. Okay, so it's like right here.
Okay.
Look, just right straight. And then right there at that corner. Right there, right through there. Why are the kids yelling?
I wonder why.
I'm gonna say 30 minutes on the cops being here. 30. That area over there, that's more outside of the city limits. This is more one street over in the neighborhood. We're gonna watch a few more of the fireworks and we'll say bye to you and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye!
Bye!
Now we're on to Macey's 12-pack. Oh my goodness. Hey! What are you doing?
Oh, that was with us!